For the first time ever, retail investors in the UK and Europe can get exposure to ARK's most popular ETFs. Led by CEO and founder Cathie Wood, ARK specializes in investments focused on disruptive innovation. There's been a lot of hype around ARK in recent times, and understandably so. However, retail investors on this side of the pond have not been able to get in on the action due to regulatory restrictions. That has all changed now, as Leveraged Shares brings to market 9 ARK ETPs tracking ARKK, ARKG, and ARKW. These are listed on multiple exchanges and trade in 3 currencies. So whether you're looking for simple one-to-one exposure or want to express stronger convictions using 3 times long or 3 times short ETPs, Leveraged Shares has you covered. Visit leveragedshares.com for more information.